I saw this very interesting car today and decided to put it up on the internet immediately. It's a 1942 Ford Custom. It's been modified as station wagon. Notice the beautiful woodwork, the wood paneling there in the ceiling, the doors. So much wood used on this car. You know, Ford had their own forest that they used for the wood for these cars. And the fact this car has been modified is exemplified by those new gauges there you see on the dash. A beautiful dash, been reimagined. The upholstery is excellent. The paint is beautiful. The steering wheel is extra deluxe with the full horn ring. There we see the cowl vent is open for ventilation, and the roof is in beautiful shape. And under this hood is a 350 cubic inch Chevy V8 and automatic transmission. So it's been updated in important ways. It also has aftermarket air conditioning, which makes this car drivable in all seasons of the year. As you know, 1942 was a very shortened model year. I think they started the new models October 41 and went through like January of 42, and then car production essentially stopped. Civilian car production. Detroit still made some cars for the military, but basically civilians had to get along with what they already had. Notice the 3 rows of seating here, the sliding glass windows towards the back of the car, big wide white walls with wheel trim rings. And here we have the spare attached to the tailgate. Amazing vehicle.